everyone and welcome to the video. In this video, we will be focusing on how to download the Adobe Illustrator and introduce you to some few basic simple tools that you may use in creating a poster. Let's get on with the video. Now, Adobe Illustrator is an amazing software that lets you create amazing work with just simple tools they provided in the software. You can download this straight from the adobe.com, or you can click the link in the description down below where we provide with the file to use Adobe Illustrator. After downloading the file, you may extract the file and start using Adobe Illustrator. Now let's get on with the basic tools. While we introduce the basic tools, let's try to make a simple illustration of a Kokeshi Doll poster. After the software finishes their loading, press Create New. You can choose any type of canvas that you wish, but this time, let's choose Poster and choose Upright Orientation. First, let's do the head of the doll. Press Ellipse tool and create a circle for the head. While creating the circle, press Shift key to maintain the circle shape. To change color for the skin, press Fill and choose any color you want for the skin. You can disable the line by pressing non-color for the stroke of the shape. To create the shadow of the head, do the same process as before, but with a darker shade of color. You can arrange the shadow to the back by right-clicking your mouse and press Arrange to move back. To make things easier for you to hold them, group them together by right-clicking and press Group. You can also ungroup them through the same way. Now let's move on to the hair of the doll. Use the Ellipse tool again to create a circle. Then create a rectangle with a rectangle tool on top of the circle to cut half of the circle to make a bow cut hair. Click on both shapes, then press Window and go to Pathfinder. There, you can press minus front to cut the hair. To make the side hair, you can use the rectangle tool. You can click away and it will automatically create another similar shape of the previous one made. Now, let's move on to using Pen tool. You can make a simple eye using Pen tool. Simply click once, then move your mouse and click again. During the second click, do not let go of the mouse yet, but instead, try to move gently upwards and you will make a curve. To stop using Pen tool, press Escape key. You can duplicate the eye by pressing Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl V to paste. For the blusher, you can use the Ellipse tool again with the color shade of pink. You may then proceed with the kimono and the sash of the doll using again rectangle tool and ellipse tool. To create the flower as decorations for the sash, use Star tool. To soften the edge of the star, use Direct Selection tool and move the circle to soften the edge, creating petals of the flower. Create Ellipse tool again to make the center of the flower. To make the color of the kimono, you may use the Pen tool again. You may experiment and try to learn how this mechanic works. To separate shape for the neck, you may use Shape Builder tool. Press on the shape first hand, then press the area you want to separate. To undo any mistake, you can press Ctrl Z key. You can press Ctrl and Shift and Z key to do the opposite. You can then group them and move the body of the doll to the back. Attach the head to the body by grouping them and the doll is finished. To create a simple background, choose a different layer by clicking Layer and New Layer. Move the layer to the bottom to avoid overlaying the first layer. Use Rectangle tool to make the background layer, then choose Gradient Color Fill. You can choose any type of gradient you wish to pick. To change the color of the gradient, press on the circle and change to however you wish. To create a simple title, you can use Type tool. You may change the font size and the font type at the top. The software also provides with a variety of font family for you to choose at the top. To rotate your letter, right-click your mouse and press Transform and choose Rotate. To export the image, go to the file and choose Export As under Export. Please be warned, before you click Export to finish, please click Use Artboard so the image will only export what exists on the artboard. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned new things about the software. Subscribe for more tips and guides on creating amazing posters, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any video from us, the Z Tech.